you can see here. So it's the same with moise. So here is the example for the moise. Here is the similarity between moise. We can see this is moe1. The similarity about moe1 to 6 moise is over here. Moe1 to moe1, moe1 to moe2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we can now, if the value is bigger, it means it's more close. So right now we are talking about the predicted value about unrated moise for users. It's kind of predicted value. So how do we do that? We will use the function. It's over here. You can now so the value of rating moise sorry, I'm talking about that is we know the user say rated moise is moe1, 3, 4, 5, but it's now 2 and 6. So we can predict the value about user 3 will rate the moe2. How do we reason? So the 0 is actually is the user not rate. It's not, they don't rate the moe. So we will predict it. Here, the function is the value of rated moise times the similarity of moe2 with each rated moe, and then divided the sum of similarity of moe2 with each rated moise. So here is the example. So we know the user say rated moe 1 and then the value is 4, and we also know the moe2 with the similarity between the moe2 with moe1 is 0.8. So the 0.82 times 4, and we also, you can say the user say rated moe3 is 2, the value is 2, and also the similarity between the moe3 and moe2 is 0.89. So I just get the value is 0.9, and 0.9 times 2. So the same with others, we just times them and then divided the similarity, the sum of similarity of moe2 with each rated moe. Then we get the final answer. The final answer is 2.977. Okay, this is the last step. We need to know if they are right, because it's just the predicted value. So we will test the accuracy about them. How do we do that? So we will use we will separate the whole data into train and test. So we will separate them for the rate of them is 70% and 30%. So and the method to test them is RMSE and MAE. So what are they? So we can say MAE is the mean absolute error. So the first is just the real number about the user rated moise, and the second is just the predicted value. The top of this function is just the sum of them. The bottom is just the number of them. So just divided the number of them. So we can get the mean absolute error. What's the RMSE? Actually, it's just kind of the deviation about the error. So okay, here is the last experiment. So because my computer is so small and it can do a lot of data, so I just take the 100 users and 50,000 ratings to do the test, and then I set the k as 5. What's the k? Okay, the k is just the number of the number is you just want to train. You can train it 5 times. So you can finally find the answer about the MAE is 0.66 and the RMSE is 0.83. So we know the value of them. If they are small, they